You're welcome. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up conversion tracking for your Google Ads, making use of Google Tag Manager. Of course, the first thing you have to do, you have to log into your Google Ads account. Alright. So as we proceed, do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, at the same time share this video. You can also leave a comment if you feel this video helps you. Alright. Thank you. So we move on. First of all, you go to your goals. Of course, that is where you actually set up your conversion action. That's what we want to do now. You go to goals, then you locate conversion. Okay, so under conversion, you go to summary. All right, so here we are already. Then you locate create conversion action. So we are creating a conversion action. You click on it. Okay, so here we are. You choose web. You are creating a conversion action for web. All right, so you're selecting web, so you can uncheck this. So in this location, this is where you're going to, you click on edit. Okay, then you enter your website. Okay, so you scan. All right, of course, there's a possibility that you have not set up any tag on your website. If you have set up any tag on your website, this scan is going to actually review that. But if you have not set up any tag, it's definitely not going to show any tag. Okay, but in this case, I already have a tag that is from this Google account on this website, alright, system.io. But in this case, we are not actually making use of the tag, okay, because we want to make use of Google Tag Manager to actually set up the tag and manage the conversion. So what you do now is that just go ahead. In your own case, you will see not installed, so don't be moved by that. Just select it, then click on done. Okay, so you move on and click on save and continue. So here you're going to choose your conversion action. What do you want to convert for? Are you converting for purchase? Are you converting for sign up, for subscription, whatever? Okay, just page view, whatever you want to convert for. In this case, I'm converting for appointments. Okay, so you click on book appointments. So when you get here, it's going to ask you to add conversion action. So you click on add conversion action. So in this case now, because I already have a tag installed, all right, with a stream, but in your own case, it's just going to show the your website that has no targets. You just select it, whatever you have there, select it. Don't really mind about that. It's not there's nothing to stress about there, right? So in this case now, you're going to have set up manually using code, enter the URL where the conversion is completed. Okay, just click on set up manually. You're selecting set up manually, then you go to conversion settings. All right, so primary, yes, that's the conversion name is book appointment. It's fine, I'm fine by that. Then my conversion value, all right, let me just set it to $1. Depends, conversion value just have to say that, oh, for every conversion that I have, how much am I attaching to this conversion? So how much does that conversion worth? So you can set it, it's the conversion worth $10, $20, you can set it to be, all right. But in my own case, I'm just leaving it at $1. I think I'm fine by that, just to be able to count the number of conversions that I have, or the number of appointments that I have booked. Okay, so now count. In this case, if it is purchase, I would recommend that you choose for every, but in this case, I think I'll go for one. Why am I going for one? The reason why I'm going for one is because if an individual should book an appointment now, and the person peradventure maybe goes back and book another appointment, all right, it's going to record it as just one appointment. All right, since it's the same purpose. But in the case of purchase, somebody can buy a product now and still go back, make another purchase. All right, in that case, that will be different. You know, it will be a different purchase entirely. So you can count every purchases, that is every actions of purchase that an individual makes. All right, it can be 2 times, it can be 3 times, so you can count every. But in my own case, I just want to count for every unique individual that book an appointment, let it be recorded as one. All right, so you move ahead. Okay, click through conversion window. That's the period of time you want to keep the information, this data that you are actually tracking. So all those ones, just leave the settings the way they are, they're fine. Okay, so manage through Google Tag. Of course, we are not making use of Google Tag, but just keep check the use enhanced conversion for this conversion action. All right, then you click on done. So after doing that, all right, you go to save and continue. Okay, all right, so here is where the work now is, all right, in engaging Google Tag Manager. So you can see set up with the Google Tag. So you to set up with the Google Tag, you can just follow this process. But in this case, we want to make use of GTM, that's Google Tag Manager. So you go to this place, and you are going to see a conversion ID. At the same time, you're going to see a conversion label. So note those two informations, okay, the conversion ID and the conversion label. So at this junction, you are going to go to your Google Tag Manager. All right, so if you don't have one, you can create one. Just every Gmail already has one attached to them. So when you just get in, just you go to tagmanager.google.com. all right, so just enter that, and it's going to take you to this place. In this interface is where you're going to create an account. You have to create an account first before you can create a tag. All right, so you create an account. So I'm going to use system tag account. Okay, which country? Choosing Nigeria, of course. Nigeria. Okay, so the container name, right, you can just name it your website, because this is the website. Then target platform, that's web. All right, so you click on create. So you agree to their terms. All right, you can read through the whole terms and agree to it. Then yes. Okay, so after which that is done, then it's going to take us to the next step. So you click on create. Okay, now we have this. So this code is the code you are going to install on your website. So you are installing this first one on your header, and you're installing the second one on the in the body of your website. All right, okay, so in case this Google Tag Manager code did not display immediately you create the account, all right, you can just come to this place, come to this GTM, this code. This is the Google Tag code, right? Click on it, it's going to show the code. So what are you going to do now? Copy the code, copy the one at the header, then go to your website. All right, we're going to your website to install the code. So here's the header. All right, okay, I'm actually making use of a plugin called the WP code insert header footer plugin. All right, so we have other plugin that can also do this. If you're using WP CMS, that's a content management system, which is WordPress, right? Depends on the CMS you are using. So you may be using Joomla and every other Wix and all that. So you're actually going to have, possibly some of them will have plugin, and if they don't have, you can just locate the general header for the website. You can also do that in WordPress, but not to take our time, just have to install a plugin, use the plugin is going to do the entire work for you. All right, so once I paste the code here, automatically all pages of this website is going to carry the code. Of course, I don't have much page on this website anyway, so you put in the code. Okay, all right, then you save it. That's for the header. Okay, let me go and copy the body now. Okay, copy the body, then you go back to the website, you click on the body side, and you paste it and save. All right, so that's done successfully. Then you go back to your tag, then you can test here. All right, just type in your website, make sure your website is starting from HTTPS. All right, so there's systec.io. Okay, so I'm gonna test it. Let's see to confirm if this tag has been successfully installed on the website. Can you see check? All right, so it shows that these codes have been successfully installed on our website. Okay, so the next thing now to do is for you to go and create your tag. So you go to tag, or you just click on add new tag. Okay, all right, so you just click on add a new tag. So tag configuration, so you click on your tag configuration, then you choose Google Ads, right? Then you choose Google Ads conversion tracking. Okay, then your conversion ID, then you go back to your Google ad account, right, where we stopped, the process we stopped at. Okay, to go and copy your conversion ID. So this is the ID. You copy it. Okay, copy it, then you insert it here. Then your conversion label, you go to this place, copy, then go to the tag and paste it here. All right, so it says no tag font. Just leave that. Let's move ahead. Then under your triggering, all this, you don't need to really do any editing here. Under your triggering, that is what action will be taken before this tag is going to be triggered, all right, to count as a conversion. So you just click on these to create your triggering. Okay, so all pages, page view. All right, we want to actually make use of page view, but let me just create a new one. Trigger configuration, page view, all pages, no, just some page. So select the variable page URL, that is this tag is going to trigger immediately a particular page is opened. So which means if somebody should book an appointment, it's going to take them to a success page or a thank you page. All right, okay, so that thank you page or that success page is the page that I want to trigger this tag for. Okay, so the same thing is applicable to sales. So for every sales you should have a thank you page. So that thank you page is going to be your trigger page for your tag. All right, so I'm choosing page URL contains, yes. Then I'm going to type, let me just copy this is my thank you page. Okay, we copy it and insert it in here. All right, so I save page view. All right, save. Okay, so that being done, you move ahead and you save. Okay, you save it. All right, so after that is done, we can preview. Let's preview. Then copy the thank you page and paste here and connect. So let's see if it's going to trigger. So if it's going to trigger, if it triggers it, that means fine, we are good to go. Okay, all right, so can you see it triggers it? It trigger connected, it triggers it. Can you see? Tags was fired. Can you see? One time. So the tag was fired, so successfully installed. So go back to your Google Ad account now, then and click on finish, because we are done, of course. Click on finish. Click on finish. Then locate where we have the tag. The build. This is the tag here. All right, it's still showing inactive. Okay, all right, so you have nothing to worry about. Just wait for some while. It's going to show no recent conversion. Yeah, you can also troubleshoot from here if you want to. All right, so once it's triggered, it's going to show that it is not receiving any recent conversion. So, and that's all that you need to do to set up your conversion. Can you see it's already triggered already? It's triggered already. Can you see? It's sending that already. So let me close the Google Tag Assistant, and can you see? Can you see now? No recent conversion. Boom. We have successfully installed conversion tracking. All right, making use of Google Tag Manager. All right, thank you very much. If this video actually serve you well, do well to make a comment, like, subscribe, share the video as well. Thank you very much.